Most teams track dozens of metrics but confuse activity with actual performance. So what really is a KPI? A KPI, or key performance indicator, is a measurable value that evaluates how effectively a person, team, or organization achieves its key objectives. Crucially, KPIs are always tied to specific goals, not just any metric you happen to track. Every KPI should answer one question: are we on track to hit our target? Not every metric qualifies as a KPI. A strong KPI must be smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. Instead of saying improve customer satisfaction, a proper KPI says achieve a customer satisfaction score of 85 or higher by the end of this quarter. KPI examples vary widely by function. Sales teams track quota attainment and new customer acquisition rates. Engineering teams measure deployment frequency and bug resolution time. HR looks at employee retention and time to hire. Every KPI ties directly back to a business priority the team owns. KPIs also fall into two types. Lagging indicators measure outcomes that have already happened, like revenue earned or customer churn rate. Leading indicators are predictive. They signal future performance, like the number of demos scheduled or training sessions completed. The best performance frameworks use both types together. KPIs are smart, goal-aligned metrics that separate meaningful progress from busy noise. Drop your team's top KPI in the comments. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.